在小镇的边缘，有一片被称为橡木林的神秘森林。小男孩皮皮背上背包，开始了他的奇幻旅程。
Woohoo! This is amazing! Forest, here I come! Oh, can someone please help me? Don't worry, little one. I'll help you. Thank you. As a reward, I'll take you to find the glowing deer. The needle is broken. Or perhaps pointing the way. Don't worry, close your eyes and listen with your heart.
You are a kind child. As long as you have a kind heart, the forest will always be your friend.
Goodbye. I'll see you again soon. Pee-Pee, you're back. Where did you go to play today? To the woods, Mama. It was so much fun.
皮皮虽然回到了家，但他永远记住了森林里的奇迹。